Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX natural gas market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 179. As per our advice, we thought if the price is coming below 178 we will go for selling, or if the price is coming near 185 we will go for selling. Right after the opening, slowly steadily the price came near 182 and closed near 181. So we didn't had any trade entry. Today it's expected to open somewhere near 179. So we could see that the price had taken some resistance near 182. So again, there is no change in our strategy. We'll follow the same strategy what we followed yesterday. Wait for the price to come below 1876 or to see a closing below 176, or we need to wait for the price to come near 185 to go for selling. So let's see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.